Today is July 6th and I want to give some tour. Right now it's a main floor in the progress. Bunch of materials. That's very huge opening. That's gonna be window. It's like really huge window, but here it's gonna be door, main entry, and on right and left side we have little closets. So let's walk this way in the office area. Here it's gonna be 2 bedrooms. Here kitchen, living room, and the pantry. Pantries that we just changed this morning plan. It was a little bit different, not a little bit, but it was different, smaller. Now it's bigger, like a 24 square feet bigger. Now it's 89 square feet, but it was 50 something square feet. So that's a good thing. So because it was more this way and hallway was around. Now we have just straight hallway from a kitchen to garage. It's gonna be garage, and here it's gonna be downstairs, laundry, bathroom. So many sticks everywhere. Another changes coming up. So this one is small room for a toilet, and there's gonna be 45 cut to make more room in the bathroom. Additional changes was made here. This wall was moved for 3-inch, and this closet and master bedroom have already all walls, and door to balcony, window, and main exit from a. And here we have upstairs a little bathroom for guests, and that's how it is. Office, huge. Thank you for watching.